How you doing, everybody? It's your natural bodybuilding specialist, Kelly Brown, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to do Dive Bomber Push-Ups, also known as Hindu Push-Ups. Now, the benefits of Dive Bomber Push-Ups are that they engage multiple muscle groups, including your chest, shoulders, triceps, back, and your core muscles. They also increase flexibility, cardiovascular endurance, functional strength, because these movements are used in various sports and activities, and it focuses on shoulder stability. Now, the way to do a dive bomber push-up is just by starting in the high plank position. You're going to go into the downward phase by making an A shape with your body, putting your butt in the sky. Once you move downwards, you're just going to bring your chest towards the ground and sweep it slightly up against the ground or towards the ground. Bring an arch into your back, and then you're going to push forward. And into reverse, you're just going to do the reverse motion by coming back down, bringing your waist back down to the ground, and then pushing it back forward to the sky again once you're done, and that's one rep. All right, I hope you guys learned something. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.